Welcome to Seat 36. We believe a business requires three things: courage, talent, and focus. If you think of your business as a three-legged stool, focus always seems to be the wobbly leg. Let's fix that. Seat 36 specializes in bringing focus to your next marketing campaign. Here's how. The Seat 36 difference is our focus operating system. We call it OS36. It's comprised of identity, pillars, blueprint, execution, accountability, and refocus. We use OS36 to work shoulder to shoulder with our best clients, increase our speed of response, and decrease the number of iterations required to launch your campaign. And we also have experience scaling OS36 to other departments, or even across your entire company if you need help managing additional projects. In all cases, we pride ourselves on our availability, accountability, and role in generating more revenue for your business. We build brands. We create content. We execute visions. We are Seat 36. If you need to level out a wobbly stool, let's chat. Contact our founder, Jared Frank, today and book a discovery call.